It looks even better position when you make the engine noise.
Up, 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 up,
Yeah,
up.
that's good, yeah. Yeah.
Up, up.
Basically, we're preparing from last test, which involved the crash at the end, so we're repairing that. We're removing both engines in preparation for the new engines for the test, and basically a service of everything. See, the clutch is out, we have to prime the oil again for the new engines, and yeah, we'll be ready by 6 o'clock tonight, I hope. Both engines in the bike, all started, and yeah, good to go for tomorrow. But it's very difficult.
Show me, eh?
It's like magic.
It's a magic,
It's
no?
magic, magic. Over the top.
No magic.
No magic.
So basically we use temperature sensitive paint to paint discs and see what temperature they run at on track. We use red, orange and green, and usually that gives us an indication of as to what temperature we're running at, and when they are up to sort of peak temperature, it'll wear out each colour, and then we know from that what to run the brakes at.
Good morning, my name is Abel Orteco. I'm the coordinator of the Motorsport Engineering Master, which is organized by Motor and Aragon. And today we have the opportunity of learn about the knowledge of Yamaha PATA. Thanks to this collaboration, the students of the first edition of the Master in Motorsport Engineering has learned about the dynamic of the motorbike, what is the vision of rider from motorbikes, and also what are the main regulations that affect to our world superbikes. And for us, we are very proud to be here learning of this great team.
Since we're not doing much this morning, we've had a certain Mr. Crutchlow in here to have a chat with us and have a coffee. And he's explained a little bit what they work on with rider position. So Carl and Andrea were discussing the advantages of having the rider held forward to be less physical on the arms, etc, etc. So based on that chat, we're going to try and mount this on the back of the seat, which will basically keep Andrea forward, still allowing him to get on top of it down the straight to keep his aerodynamic position. But yeah, something we discussed a couple of weeks ago with Andrea, talking about it, and Carl's kind of confirmed what we were thinking, and yeah, we've been in and had a look at the M1 and how he's got it set up, so why not? We'll give it a try if we get out today.
But now you try to make the same line, but with the 10 mm
Let's
left.
do 10 at the start, not 20
Yeah,
straight
I'm
away.
not going to try, I'm going to do it.
Okay,
Yeah,
you can,
I will do it.
You're gonna do it.
Yeah, I will do it, yeah.
mate.
I understand. You're the best.
For everybody.
You are the best.
Say nothing, maybe it's a disaster, so wait.
Yeah.
Aspetta.
Okay, I'm waiting you.
That is exactly 20 millimeters. No, maybe 18.
No.
18.
18.5.
Yeah, okay. Try
17.5.
Try 18.5. Bravo.
Yeah, it's just
What?
touch it.
What? Pa, pa, pa.
It looks even better position when you make the engine noise.
Pa, 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 pa,
Yeah,
pa.
that's good, yeah.
Pa, pa. The new vaccine.
Foam on the seat.
Yeah.
Is it helping you stay forward?
Yeah, I help me to take the feeling on the front and the touch on the front.
Keeps you in position better.
Yeah, maybe it's better. Yeah. Also on the turner 4, it's not so bad. Because I don't lose the front on the change of direction, and I can enter much better here. But also I need to move a little bit more on the back. Maybe we need to move
back a little bit.
Yeah, in the end, the new seat is not in my expectative. I have a strange feeling, and for this we take out everything, and we will continue with the standard seat.
We are here in Aragon for the second day of testing, and unfortunately the weather is not great, so the track is wet at the moment, and there is a little bit of rain. And Kota is a good opportunity for him because it's the first time that he tried the R1 in World Superbike spec with the Pirelli tires on the rain. So it's a good opportunity for him to do some laps and understand the differences of the tires. And instead, Gareth Gerloff and Locatelli, they are not riding for different reasons. They both want to save one day of testing. And Gareth has already a big experience with the rain, and he was really fast last year, so he has no issues. And for Locatelli, it's good to save one day of testing because he wants to come back and test more on the dry condition and get a better feeling on the dry.